So we're back from vacation and I'm doing a daily cleaning routine, and this is a super simple one since I did do a lot of cleaning before we left on vacation. So I'm just getting some laundry done and a little bit of unpacking. I have a really good salmon recipe to share with you guys. You all voted that you wanted to see a vacation vlog. Sadly, I did not do good at picking up the camera, but I did film some. So before we get started on today's video, I'm going to show you guys some clips. Your letter. So we went on a 4-night Western Caribbean cruise down to Mexico, and it was so much fun. Our cruise ship was Royal Caribbean. There was so much stuff to do on here. When we first got onto the ship, we went ahead to the Windjammer for a quick lunch before heading down to our room. We actually have 2 rooms. They were both connecting, and we chose the promenade view instead of a balcony just because the kids had their own room and we didn't want to give them a balcony, so we chose the promenade view, and it was so nice. And the promenade is pretty much like the city part of the ship where you can look down at the shops, restaurants, parties, bars, things like that. I can't help that I miss you now. So every day for lunch and dinner, we ate at a different upscale restaurant because we did purchase the unlimited dining package, which allows you to eat at the higher end restaurants, and the food was so good. I'm so mad I didn't remember to film all of our meals. Even if it's hard to see, I'll try to let go. It's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. Can help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this. The weather could not get any better. It was in the high 70s and 80s the entire time with a breeze. It was just perfect. I can't help that I miss you now. Can't help that I miss you now. So we pre-booked an excursion for when we got to Mexico. This is just a bathroom break that we took to a Mayan bee sanctuary where they make a bunch of products made out of honey. So this was really cool. And then we headed to the ruins, which I did not film. But after that, we went to the beach and we ate at this really good Mexican restaurant. The food was delicious. We were literally on the beach in the sand. It was just so peaceful. The music was peaceful, and it was just only our people from the excursion here, so it was really exclusive. The water was clear, it was pretty warm, the weather was perfect. It was just so much fun. Now that we've been back from our vacation for a few days now, I'm gonna get started on some laundry and some catching up because I literally didn't do much when we got back. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna do too much talking until we get to the recipe part. So let's get started. I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guess
guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, you don't get everything you like, yeah. You don't get everything you like, yeah, 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 yeah. No. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. 'Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me, yeah, yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I, and I, you and I, and I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me.
I've been loving doing grocery pickups lately. It's just so much easier than going into the store, spending 30 minutes to an hour grocery shopping. So that's what I did. So I have a lot of meat right here that I have for my meals that are planned out this week. I'm making spaghetti and meatballs, beef stew, some chicken and rice. I have the shredded chicken for tacos, celery for my beef stew, some croissants, and then I have like tater tots over there and a lot of like fresh produce right here that I'm using in my recipes, pancake and sausage, which my kids love, lettuce, cheese. Slow cooker liners are the best. If you haven't tried them, try those. Some noodles, some cream cheese, some broth, and just pretty much things that I need for my upcoming recipes. I need to restock my cleaning vinegar, and then I have some sparkling water. I'm gonna put all of this away off camera, and then we're gonna jump right back in with our recipe for the night. Right, on to the easiest recipe ever. So we're going to be making salmon rice bowls, and here's most of the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to start by cubing all of your salmon. I am first taking the skin or the scales off of the salmon, and then after we cube it, we're going to season it really good, throw some sesame oil, a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and cook it until it's finished. Water was boiling, so I added my cleaned rice, and we're gonna let that cook. And then while everything is simmering, I'm gonna start chopping my veggies. I've got some bok choy, you can choose whatever you want, and I got some carrots, some cucumbers, and I am gonna use some mushrooms. Here's the salmon. Next, I'm gonna make my dipping sauce, or a sauce you can pour over your bowl. Just use some soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, a little bit of brown sugar, and some sesame seeds and cilantro if you wanted to. Mix it up really well, and that's finished. I added in my bok choy just for a couple of minutes until it's soft and everything is done, and then you're gonna start to build your bowl. Like I said, you can add in whatever vegetables you want. This is more of like an Asian style. Added in some jalapeno and seaweed, and then we have my soy sauce mixture. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.